Hi guys, welcome to Techiada. So today we will see how to use a temporary mail ID. So sometimes if we need some contents from some websites, we will be asked to enter a email ID and a new password for that particular website. So some of us will not be interested to use our personal email ID, so that we will be getting junk mail all the time. So the better option for this is you can go for a temporary email ID. So temporary email ID, what happens is you must go to this particular website which I mentioned. So if you go to that, you will get a temporary email ID instantly. Just use that for sign up and that's it. You can access all the contents. Then no need, if any verification mails come to that website, you can even open the inbox inside that temporary mail ID. Then you can go inside that and you can verify it. So let's go to it. Let's go to our website, royalty free music. Okay, let's check if this thing has sign up. See, this thing has sign up. So let's press sign up, give continue. I'm giving you an example for signing into any website using your mail ID, the temporary mail ID. So let it load. So at that particular time, let's Google temporary mail ID. So this is the website, guys, temporarymail.org. I'll be putting down the link in the description below. You can check the description. So it will auto generate a random mail ID. So what you do is you must just simply copy this option, right? Copy to clipboard. You can copy that, and this has opened up. Let's give that copied mail address and give a random password. Password at 786. Give continue. Okay, that's it. We are signed up to this. Okay, let's check if we have any mails from this particular website, because most websites will send mail once we are signed up. So I guess this website hasn't sent any mail, but mostly if any website sends any mail, it will be available here in the center and the subject will be available. You will just click that entry, then you will be able to go inside it, and there will be the verification link. Click that, you will be automatically directed to the verification link, and you will be able to access your account after that. So that's it, guys. That's it for the day. If you like it, just like button down. Please subscribe to this channel. See you guys, catch you later.